Hey guys, so here we have a new fan. This is I believe, a 9-inch Honeywell Table Fan. This one is model number, just gonna put this clock down here for now. This one is model number, I can't see. Model number HT900 series, not 900C series. I'll put that number in the description. It says date there, so I wonder if you guys can date code this fan. There's the UL listing there. So this one, exactly like the San Marino, my stepdad, I guess, was at a job he was doing, and I noticed it was in his garage for a while, and then I asked him about it, if I could have it, and he said, sure. I asked him about that, and he said he didn't really need it anyway, so I asked if I could have it and use it, and he said, sure, you can have it, as long as you clean it up, because it's quite dusty. I didn't get it fully cleaned up, but I did make a cleaning video. I don't know if I'll post that today, because I recorded it earlier this morning at like around 9 or 10. It's currently 12 right now. So I got this to kind of replace this, which is this is a Pioneer air purifier. I mainly just used this for noise. Model this one is where's the model here? Model BAP 600-CN. It does work, but I was just kind of using this for noise because this thing is quite loud, and especially on its highest speed. But this is more for just kind of cleaning out the air, not for much noise. So I thought when I saw that Honeywell, I was like, oh, I'll just... Plus this one has... Sometimes you have to push its power button like a bunch of times to get it to turn on. So this will probably just go in the basement, and maybe we'll actually use it as an air purifier one day. But yeah. So we'll get with the demonstration. This is a 3-speed fan. There's the control there. So we'll go ahead and start it out on low. When I'll run this thing at night, I'll probably run it on medium, because this one works, but I'll have to experiment. It is definitely blowing some air. Now we'll go to medium. Actually switch it. Oh, I'm turning it the wrong way. There we go. I have to redo how I put this clock. So there's medium. This is probably what I'll use it on. It's not too loud, not too quiet. Now for high. Actually, this one's not bad either. This one's... I'm finally off. So yeah, there's this Honeywell fan. Model number HT-900C. Maybe somebody who knows more about these fans can tell me a bit more about these in the comments. Or possibly date this fan. It's That'd be lovely, thanks. Dang it. Knocked over my mom's thing. There we go. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later with the next video. Bye.